You know that in the past, the lion was considered a very dangerous animal. But today, many people see him as a relatively harmless fellow. See he's a bit lazy, spends hours of his day resting. Of course, I don't want to get the wrong impression. I think here's Trotter's because he can be a predator and he can be deadly. Lions have very sharp
Leave me alone. Hours off. Go.
If you'd like to help one of these intelligent, gorgeous, and...
Sorry.
Sweet dreams. Good night.
Was nice, the party was jumping, and everybody having a ball until the fellas started name calling, and the girls was down to the call. The woman shout out, "Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?" I see the dance people had a ball 'cause Billy Founders get out. Get back, Gruffy, bust Gruffy, get back, you flea infested mongrel. Who let the dogs out?
Hello? 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 Hello?
Say mama. Mama.
I just want to know one thing, if you love me or not. You love me? That's all I wanted to know. Here, careful. He loves me.
Oh, no. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no.
I met my love down in old New Orleans, strutting her stuff on the street. She said, hello, hey Joe, you wanna give it a go? Getcha, yeah, yeah, da, da. Getcha, yeah, yeah, yeah. Mocha chocolate, yeah, yeah. Your lady mama love.
Hey, Mom, when I was on the papers the other day, I read that 90% of all accidents occur at home. Is that just for people or for anybody? Oh, okay, 8 lives and counting. What was your name again? I'll take my picture. It makes me even more indecisive. You know what? Take the kid's picture while I make up my mind. Will I or won't I? What the heck? Let's go for it. Geronimo! You're a loving catch, Mendrick. Ah, they make fun of me because I'm a nearsighted puss. But I don't care. I'm in love with you, Ken. Leave Bobby and spend the rest of your life rolling around in the linoleum with me. I can make you happy, baby. You're not anatomically correct, are you? Oh.
It's your little trick, Fluff. You can do it. Get in there. Good. Good. Keep going. Keep going. You can do it. You can do it. Get in there. Get in there. Good girl. You can go. Keep going. Good.